Welcome to Singapore. We are here at the Malayan Park, and this one is the statue of the Malayan, the lion's head and the mermaid's body.
Just wanna pack up my things and go. Just wanna be free, just wanna zone, just wanna flow, just wanna hang with the gang, but sometimes chill on my own. Just wanna do me, just wanna doze, just wanna live and see how it goes. And the goals just keep on going, yeah. This life we live is a war. When there's love in the rave, you know. When there's love in the rave, you know. All inside you, all in the soul, 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 soul. You know when the calling's calling you, and the calling's calling more. You know when the calling's calling you, it's calling more.
Good morning, guys. So today the weather is so good here in Singapore and we are just exploring. I've come to this Singapore river and this is how the views are. Oh my god, so beautiful, so awesome. Look at that. Over there we have the Singapore wheel. Then we have the Art Science Museum. We have this building that has an observation deck. I've forgotten the name. I think I will go there later. Then the Singapore River, and look at that, so awesome. And we even have some boats on the river right now. So let's go to the other far end where we have the Malayan Park and see how it looks like. Awesome weather. Oh my god, that sun is so beautiful. And we have so many people, so many tourists, group tourists, single tourists, couples, and so on. Everything looks just awesome. So here we have some tourist boats. If you want to cruise along the Singapore River, you can take one. And over here, this is the station where you can take the sightseeing boat. And right there, here we have it, so majestic. Look at that, guys. That is the Malayan statue, the head of a lion and the body of a mermaid. Oh wow, this looks awesome. Next, we are here at the Gardens by the Bay. Have you seen these awesome trees? That's the famous trees in Singapore, the Gardens by the Bay. Oh, very unique, very beautiful. Let's go in and see how they look like. Oh wow, look at those trees. They look so elegant. Wow. This is so cute. Look at this place. Doesn't it look just awesome? So beautiful. Are those fruits? I've not seen anyone touch, so I'll not touch. Maybe you are not supposed to touch, but they look so awesome. Look at this, the beauty of Singapore. Look at this beauty, guys. The Gardens by the Bay. It looks so awesome. Wow. So guys, we are at the Gardens by the Bay and look at how beautiful it is. This place is so good, like for taking videos, photos and so on. Wow, this is awesome. Look at how beautiful it is. This is the Gardens by the Bay in Singapore, and we have these structures, these trees. Let me show you how they look like. We have these trees, guys. Look at them. They are made of, I don't know which material, but it looks like metallic. And then on top of it, we have some plants growing from the base up to the top. It looks so beautiful, so awesome. Just look at that. And there are several of them, very wide. So let's move in here and see. what is there. There's some music playing. I hope I will not be copyrighted. And look at this, the tropical plants, tropical rainforest. Wow, this reminds me so much of home because they are the same plants which are found in Kenya. But the problem is from Singapore up to Kenya, it's like an 8-hour flight, I think so. Yeah. And the weather is so awesome today. The air is so fresh. And it's just lovely, just marvelous.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
From here you can see the trees, those awesome trees at the background, though they are not so clear because you have so much vegetation. Yeah, there.
You're far away and yet so close.
Then here we have this structure, this building. Let me not call it structure, it is a building. This one is the waterfront bay where we have the fountain, the water fountain presentation at night. It's almost 7:15. Yeah, I've been told at 7:15. So I'll be here to see the fountain. And here they love so much sculptures and those cave-ins. So what is this one? This one looks like, I don't know. But it looks marvelous also.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Guys, I've bought tickets to go into the Skyway and Cloud Forest. So we are here at the Cloud Forest and look at it. Oh wow. And it's very cool in here because outside is very warm. Look at this. It is a massive waterfall from the sky. Look at that. The beauty of Singapore. And so many tourists here. And what I love most is the tropical plants, like a tropical rainforest. This reminds me so much of home. Oh wow, this is marvelous. And then on top it's like glass or a material, I don't know what material is. Wow, this is awesome. Look at this waterfall. This is the famous cloud forest in Singapore, and we have this massive waterfall. Look at it all the way from the top up to the bottom, and it looks so awesome. Just a touristic place, people taking photos and enjoying life. Let's move on ahead and see what we have in front. Yeah. And the weather today is so awesome. It looks so good. And it looks cloudy. I don't know why it is cloudy. Why it looks cloudy. I think because of the micro, is it micro? Yeah. the microclimate that has been used in this area. You can see at the top it is covered. It's like how do you call it, a greenhouse. Yeah, and all types of varieties of plants have been preserved here. Look at this.
좀 괜찮아질 거야. Baby, you and me, 너와 난 참 달라. 어쩜 그리도 서로 잘 몰라. 시간이 흐르면 추억뿐 수하게 over you. 좋았던 기억이 더 아파. 엇갈리기만 하던 너와 나 어쩔 수 없는 거잖아.
Oh wow, look at this flower, so massive. This is beautiful.
미련 없이 놓아버리긴 아까워 나에겐 지금 너도 나와 You and me, 너와 난 참 달라. 어쩜 그리도 서로 잘 몰라. 시간이 흐르면 추억뿐 수하게 over you. 좋았던 기억이 더 아파. 엇갈리기만 하던 너와 나 어쩔 수 없는 거잖아. 수하게 over you. 고요하던 내 하루에 한 송이 작은 들꽃처럼 난 피어나. 나도 몰래 조금씩 온통 내 머릿속을 네 향기로 채우고 쌀 같은 너
So guys, I've arrived in Singapore safely, and oh my god, it's very warm. Although they say it is raining, it is the cold season, but it's very hot and I'm just loving it. So what I will do right now, I want to give you a quick tour of my room, and it is just a minimalist room because accommodation in Singapore will cost you a liver and a kidney. It's very expensive accommodation, but as long as I have a place to stay and it is good, there's a swimming pool, there's breakfast provided, that's all. So here is my room tour. So when you get in here, we have the door and some lights, of course. Then on this side we have a very tiny storage area for your clothes. You can hang them up here. Then we have a safety box, at least some slippers there. And what is this one? I don't really know what that one. Oh, it is a steamer. This one looks different. Yeah, we have a steamer there, and up there more storage. And then now here we have a coffee area. We have some coffee there, some cups and so on. And at least down here we have a minibar. So I will just buy some drinks, especially because it's very hot, and just put them there. This one was very thoughtful of them. Oh, look at my nails, very demure. I've made my nails also when I'm traveling. Okay. Then up here we have a space. I don't know what that one is for. Then now here is the room. when you come in. It has twin beds. I don't know why they put the twin beds, and yet I booked like for one big bed, but it's okay. And then here we have a large window. That is what I love most, for maximum light. And then on this other side we have a small sitting area, like a working table, and up there we have a TV. I hope it is a smart TV. Oh, the brand is Sharp. At least I will have to test that brand and see how it works. Then we have a mirror here. Of course, I love mirrors, you know that. And we have a telephone here, a charging port, and just like that, some lights and a pattern on top. Then look at the views, guys. This is Singapore. Everywhere it's just skyscrapers. Skyscrapers, yeah, they are known as skyscrapers. Look at my view. This is what I will be waking up to early in the morning. Oh, down there, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, down there, that is the swimming pool down here. So I will go there to the swimming pool and show you. And then look at that other view. This is the view of Singapore. Yeah, and then just like that, not so much. Then here we have the washrooms. Yeah, we have it's very clean. We have the towels there. Here it is a small shower place, and at least we have some shampoo, conditioner, whatever, and some glasses here, and another mirror. At least they have mirrors. Yeah, so that is the room where I'm staying. I will go outside and show you the surrounding and other places like the swimming pool, the restaurant, and all that.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
This one is the hotel restaurant. We don't have a lot of people here because people prefer eating outside, but I'm just here so that I can try out some Singapore cuisine. I've been told that laksa, there's a meal called laksa, it tastes good, but when I check the photos, it involves some uncooked food. For me, I love my food I love my food fully cooked. I love my food cremated. So I will not have the laksa. Let's see what they will bring. So this is what I've ordered. I'm eating the pork ribs and they look so yummy and juicy. Then I have my drink here, some juice, and I have some fries here and a sauce to dip inside. Wow, this looks yummy. This is actually my first food I'm eating in Singapore.